Someone did not like football being a side character, and that's how World Cup for the sport began. If you did not know about that, then welcome to the club. One journalist, one school teacher, and one lawyer built FIFA progressively. Robert Guerin, a 28-year-old French journalist who worked for a sports newspaper, observed how international matches became more common. This made him question the need for a global authority for football. This was how the idea to build FIFA was sown in the year 1904. Initial years for FIFA were very difficult due to the constraints on people and funds. But in the year 1906, an English school teacher, Daniel Burley Woolfall, has become the president after Guerin. He standardized rules for global football. He was also the one who brought England on board, who was reluctant earlier to join FIFA. 1921 was when the real battle started. A lawyer, Jules Rimet, became the president, and he proposed the idea of World Cup. It is believed that he served his time in the military during the World War I, after which he hoped that the idea of countries competing peacefully in football could unite nations. World Cup is now watched by billions, but at that point of time, it only felt like a distant dream. Rimet fought for around a decade, and finally, in the year 1928, FIFA voted for a global tournament. Now, the challenge was with travel. There were no long-haul commercial flights at that time, so they only had the option to travel by sea. To this, many countries refused, but in the end, 13 countries, along with the man himself, Rimet, traveled to Uruguay, the first country to host World Cup for football. Ironically, these 13 countries did not know they were making history, and as of today, all countries compete peacefully in this World Cup.